Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Relationships are amazing, right? But sometimes we forget the little things that make them truly special. That's why I'm so excited about today's video. We're talking about Guaranteed Smile 7, proven ways to make a woman happy. Get ready to take some notes, guys, because these tips are pure gold. Let's dive right in. 1. It's the little things. Ladies, we put a lot of effort into, everything, from managing work projects to making sure the house is in order and even preparing meals that everyone loves. It's a lot to juggle, but we do it with love and dedication. So when you notice those little things, it means the world. A simple acknowledgement can make all the difference. It shows that you see the effort and care that goes into every little task. Did she make dinner? Tell her how delicious it was. Compliments on the meal can turn an ordinary dinner into a special occasion. It's not just about the food, it's about recognizing the love and effort put into making it. Did she pick up your dry cleaning? A simple thank you goes a long way. It's these small gestures of appreciation that build a strong foundation in any relationship. A heartfelt thank you can make her feel valued and cherished. Trust me, showing appreciation is like magic for a relationship. It strengthens the bond and brings you closer together. When you express gratitude, it creates a positive cycle of love and respect. It's like watering a plant. It just helps everything bloom. Just as plants need water and sunlight to thrive, relationships need appreciation and care to flourish. So, take a moment to notice and appreciate the little things. It makes all the difference. 2. Listen up. The art of active listening. Okay, fellas, this one's important. Active listening isn't just about hearing her words, it's about really understanding her. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what she's saying. Ask questions, show empathy, and let her know that you're present in the conversation. It makes us feel heard, valued, and oh so loved. 3. Because moments matter. Life gets busy, I get it. But carving out quality time for each other is crucial. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. A walk in the park, cooking dinner together, or just cuddling on the couch watching a movie. It's about being present, connecting, and making memories together. Those shared experiences, those are the moments that truly matter. 4. Thoughtful gifts. It's the thought that counts. Now, who doesn't love gifts? But it's not about the price tag, people. It's about the sentiment, the effort, and the thoughtfulness that goes into choosing the perfect gift. When you give a gift, you're not just handing over an object, you're sharing a piece of your heart. It's the thought behind it. Did she mention she loves a certain author? Maybe she has a favorite book that she reads over and over again. Paying attention to these little details can make all the difference. Imagine the joy on her face when she unwraps a book by her favorite author, knowing that you remembered such a small but significant detail. Get her their latest book. Does she have a favorite flower? Flowers are a classic gift, but they become extraordinary when you choose the ones she loves. Whether it's roses, lilies, or daisies, a bouquet of her favorite flowers shows that you pay attention to her preferences and care about making her happy. Surprise her with a bouquet. Those personalized touches show that you really know her and care about what she loves, and that's priceless. Personalized gifts like a custom piece of jewelry or a photo album filled with memories can make her feel truly special. It's these thoughtful gestures that create lasting memories and deepen your connection. So, next time you're picking out a gift, remember, it's the thought that counts. 5. Support her dreams. Be her biggest cheerleader. We all have dreams, aspirations, and goals we want to achieve. Being supportive of her ambitions is so important. Encourage her passions, celebrate her successes, and be there for her during challenges. Knowing she has you in her corner, cheering her on, that's true love right there. 6. Open communication. Honesty is key. Communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. Be open, honest, and respectful in your conversations. Share your feelings, listen to hers, and work together to find solutions. Remember, it's not about winning arguments, it's about understanding each other and growing together. 7. Show affection, the language of love. Everyone expresses love differently, but showing affection is so important. Whether it's a warm hug, a sweet kiss, holding hands, or simply saying I love you, those gestures speak volumes. Physical touch and emotional expressions of love create a deep bond and make her feel cherished. So there you have it, folks. We've just explored 7 simple yet incredibly powerful ways to make a woman happy. These aren't just tips, they're the building blocks of a loving and fulfilling relationship. Whether you're in a new relationship or have been together for years, these principles can help you connect on a deeper level and bring more joy into each other's lives. Let's recap those 7 ways. First, show appreciation. A simple thank you or a heartfelt compliment can go a long way. Second, practice active listening. This means really paying attention when she speaks, not just hearing but understanding her. Third, spend quality time together. It's not about the quantity of time, but the quality. Fourth, give thoughtful gifts. These don't have to be expensive. It's the thought that counts. Fifth, support her dreams. Encourage her ambitions and be her biggest cheerleader. Sixth, maintain open communication. Talk about your feelings, your dreams, and your concerns. And finally, show affection. Small gestures like holding hands, a warm hug, or a gentle kiss can make her feel loved and cherished. These are the ingredients for a happy and fulfilling relationship. When you incorporate these elements into your daily life, you create a strong foundation built on love, trust, and mutual respect. It's about making her feel valued and understood, and in turn, you'll find that your relationship becomes more rewarding and joyful. Now go out there and make someone feel extra special today. Whether it's your partner, a friend, or a family member, these principles can apply to all your relationships. Spread kindness, show appreciation, and be present in the moment. The world needs more love and positivity, and it starts with each one of us. Share your experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Tell me how these tips have made a difference in your relationships. Your stories inspire others and create a community of love and support. Let's learn from each other and grow together. And as always, thanks for watching. Your support means the world to me. Every like, share, and comment helps spread this message of love and positivity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. By doing so, you're helping to create a ripple effect of kindness and happiness. Let's make the world a better place, one relationship at a time. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep spreading the love and making a positive impact in the lives of those around you. Take care and stay happy.